Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Klarna app stuck or loading screen. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is working properly. Then, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to and then reopen the app. Next, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the Klarna app, swipe it away, wait for a few hours and reopen it. If the loading screen appears still, restart your phone and try again. You can also clear the app's cache from your phone settings by going to the apps, selecting Klarna and clearing the cache, but it is only available in Android. Then make sure your Klarna app is updated to the latest version. Head over to the App Store or your Play Store, search for Klarna, and check whether you have updated your app or not. Updating the app often fixes the loading issues. That's how you fix the Klarna app stuck